doctor. What are these on your hand?
Right. Can you able to see this tiny hair follicles?
Okay, that's cool. Can we have a few questions regarding hair transplant?
Yeah, sure.
Is the hair transplant permanent?
100%.
Is it safe?
Absolute.
Will it look natural?
Yeah.
Can we go to gym swimming after hair transplant?
Better to avoid for fuels.
When can the hair washing be done?
It can be done 5 days after the procedure with oil shampoo.
Is shaving required?
Not for all, we can perform under 0 millihertz.
When can I see the results?
You can see the ultimate results at 8 to 10 months, but patience is very important.
Will there be any side effects, doctor?
Very minimal when it done under right hands. Thank you.